For task 4, it says to go into your Google Drive by going to the top of your screen and clicking on the plus button to open up your apps. So we're going to click on a new tab. You're going to open up your apps and go into your drive. So I did share some files with you. So you're going to go over here to shared with me. And one of the ones that I shared with you is called the Olympic hockey teams. So what I want you to do with this is that I want you to add a shortcut to your drive, move it to your teacher folder, but now put it into a subfolder, because sometimes you get files and you want to put them into a folder. So I want you to be able to create a folder like kind of on the fly. So what you're going to do here is you're going to right click and it says add a shortcut to drive. So it's going to say, hey, where do you want to put me? So you're going to put it in your drive and you're going to put it in your teacher folder. So there's my teacher folder right here. And I'm going to put it in there for week 2. However, I need to create a subfolder. So let me get this to come down a little bit more. So right click, add shortcut, my drive, and there we go. Week 2. And now you can see that right here, there's a new folder button. It was kind of blocking before because I didn't have the page scrolled down a little bit. So you're going to do a new folder right here. And I told you to call it week 2 subfolder. Just so you can kind of learn how to make a folder kind of on the fly if you just have a file. And so right down here, I got to move this. So remember, you can always do one of two things. You can either press enter right here and it'll move it, or you can click the add shortcut. All right, now you're all set with task 4.